What's the meaning of au pair? Au pair. Au pair.
Au pair. Au pair. An au pair is a young foreign person who lives with a host family and provides childcare in exchange for room, board, and a small stipend. The term comes from the French phrase au pair, which means on equal terms. Typically, the au pair is treated as a member of the family and is expected to participate in family activities and help with light housework in addition to caring for the children. This arrangement benefits both the host family and the au pair, as the former receives affordable child care and cultural exchange, while the latter gains language skills and cultural immersion.